Hello, this is Elisa. I received a question about how can I embed an Excel spreadsheet into a wiki page. So I practiced it first, but I took the individual's spreadsheet that they would like to upload, and what I did was I highlighted it and I copied it. I'm using a Mac, so I'm doing Command C, but you can go up to Edit and copy it. Now I'm going to go into my wiki page. So I'm going to click on Add Content Block. I'm going to say On Page Text. And here is the wiki project page. So I'm at Create Text Block. I just give it a title. I'm just going to call it Wiki 1. And so I'm going to paste. I'm just going to do Command V. That's paste for me. And here it automatically just drops in that particular Excel spreadsheet. Then I'm going to go down here and click Save. I'd like it to be larger though. So here's an easy way to make it larger. I highlight what I have here. I'm just going to make the font bigger because it'll automatically make the table bigger. So I can do large, and that probably means that somebody coming on the page can see it really easily without having to download anything. And now I'm going to click Save, and let's see what it looks like. Okay, it didn't come up with the lines, but that's okay. There might be a way that I can do that, but at least now anyone who comes to my page can easily see what I've got here. So hopefully that works. I'll work on making the lines show up, but I think we're good to go. Thanks.